You thought you had got rid of me for the afternoon, but believe it or not, after I finish, so I'm hoping that some of you ladies will jump back on. After I finished my live video, I walked out of my craft room and believe it or not, I had a knock on the door, and I did promise you that when my order arrived that I would do an unboxing of my order. So believe it or not, so I'm hoping that some will drop. Hello, I've got 2 people back on. My order just arrived. So as I walked out of my craft room, the postie knocked on my door and arrived with my order. So I did promise you all that I would do my unboxing order, so hopefully everyone can join again. Hey Patricia. So I did just finish my live video, so if you missed my live video, please feel free to watch the recorded version after this. But of course, if we have a big brown box, we have to open it. Yay, I know. Do you know, it was in Lismore, this order, yesterday morning at 5:45 yesterday morning. I was like, why can you not deliver my order today, please? I waited all day patiently yesterday thinking, they may deliver it, but it did say on my shipping confirmation, it did say that it was not going to get delivered till today. So I was, I was a little bit sad. I was thinking, please. And I actually was thinking it was going to arrive today before I jumped on live, and it hadn't arrived. And I was so sad to think, oh my God, I won't be able to get to show you new goodies. Now, I did show you an unboxing of my pre-order that I did, and that was from Onstage. This was another pre-order, and this was a lot to do with the bundles that we have, like the Gotta Have It All bundle. And sadly to say, this afternoon on my live video, Renee was telling me that they are now all on back order, which is sad face. I can't believe it, but it's because these products are so stinking cute that everybody has decided to order them. So, hey Marie, thanks for joining. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip you forward and I'm going to show you everything that's in my big brown box. So bear with me, people. Okay. Now, I'm actually going to put this up higher because I can always lift things out of the box and let you see it. Now, I must say, I'm a bit limited here. I took my laptop out of the room, so I'm so sorry if I don't see comments. I will try and check and see, but all this lovely scrumptious brown paper, look what is in here. Wow, wow. I have been hanging for this. Look at these, people. What do you think? Brand new, in colours. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is awesome. So, lovely lipstick. Brand new colour, lovely lipstick. We have Grapefruit Grove. We have Call Me Clover. We have Pineapple Punch. I think it's going to be so yummy. It's such a bright, yummy yellow. And Blueberry Bushel. So, yeah, we're going to have to get used to those names, aren't we, ladies? So, they are our new 5 in colours. Yummo. Yeah, I know, Cheryl. I jumped back on because guess what happened? As soon as I got out of here, I went out and the postie knocked on my door and here was my order. So I was like, oh my God, I promised everybody I would do this. So I'm just going to move this. Sorry, people. I know I'm moving the camera. I'm just trying to move it so that I can actually partially see comments. Okay, so 5 new in colours, everybody. New ink pad style. So very wonderful, stackable, very space-saving, compact. I think we're all going to love the new design. So that's the 5 new in colours. I have a box over to my left and everything is getting packed over there in that box. And yeah, wow. Okay, this was a lovely stamp set that was in our pre-product purchase order that we could order. And it's called Sea of Textures. I love it for these textured background stamps. I think I'm going to use it. I actually, at Onstage, they did a wreath made out of these, and there is framelits that go with this. I haven't ordered the framelits just yet, but there are framelits that will cut out the octopus and these pieces as well, and you can actually make a wreath out of it, which is absolutely gorgeous. It was so cleverly done. So that's actually, that plus the texture pieces are what really got me in with that stamp set. So that's called Sea of Textures. That will be available. This here is so cute. This is the embellishment pack. Now, if you were lucky enough and you ordered the Gotta Have It All bundle, this was part of it. And it's in this really cute little box. So I'm going to open it up so you can see what it looks like. So the box alone, and look at this box. Hopefully I can get that to focus. That says, to love what we do and share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this we make a difference. Isn't that gorgeous? And in the Gotta Have It All bundle, you get that sentiment for free. Just saying. But it's a shame now because it's on back order. So in this we get some lovely twine. We get some beautiful little, we've got paper clips and some beautiful little metal roses, if you can see that. And they've got pop dots on the back, so you'll be able to pop them up. We have some lovely labels as well. So it's a really cute little embellishment set. And in this beautiful box, I can see us using this box for lots and lots of reasons. The box is just gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so that is the embellishment kit. Ah, this here. This is one of our new deep textured embossing folders. And it is absolutely yummo. It's a beautiful, massive flower. Can you see that flower? Look at that. And it's one of our deep textured embossing folders. So this will be really raised and really beautiful. So, and that's the special one that you take away one of the cutting pads. So you take away your thin die adapter. You also take away one of your cutting pads. So you just use your basic platform and one cutting pad with your cardstock inside and run it through. So, lovely embossing folder. So I was very excited to get that. Also in the Gotta Have It All bundle, there was the stamp sets that I've also used in a few videos just recently. And this is the coloured cardstock. And these are just a multi-pack that you get 2 of each of the colours. So I did that so that I could, hey Karen, I'm back on here again, so I could have a sample of each colours. So I'm actually thinking my team members, I may, if they're lucky, I may do a, and these doilies are so cute. These doilies are pearl. Everything is pearl because it's our 30-year celebration. Pearl is the symbol for 30 years. So these, I don't know whether you're going to see that in this light. These are all pearlized. So they've got like the pearl side on the front and they've got white on the back. So with the pearl, you could actually use our blends markers. If you used our Stampin' Write markers, it would probably wipe off. And maybe if you used our ink, I think it would wipe off. I think the pearl would resist the colour. But I think you could definitely use our blends because our alcohol markers, I think you could definitely use the blends and colour them to whatever colour you would like. They are so cute. Karen, did you get some from on stage? Because I know some people got the pack of that were left over. I didn't get them, but I knew that I was definitely going to order them. Now this cardstock, this designer series paper is so nice. I'm going to open this up because it has pearlized flower petals and things in the paper. Can you see that? Look at that. Isn't that just so yummy? So there's lots, and this is a massive stack of paper. You get 4 of everything. So it's absolutely, and it's double-sided. So you've got the other patterns. And look at this pattern here. Just the writing. So stinking cute. Okay, and another one. This has got, as you can see, the pearlized flowers. Gorgeous. Actually, my lights are doing this wonders. You can actually get to see the pearlized look. Lovely green look on the back. This one, little tiny flowers, all pearlized. It is beautiful DSP, isn't it, Mari? Definitely so. And this, I love this. And look at the dots on the back. That's gorgeous. This is beautiful, rich raspberry. And lovely flowers on the back. So lovely patterned paper. This here, look at all those flowers, all pearlized. Gorgeous, yummy, yummy. And green on the back. So that is a huge, huge stack of paper. So it's double the amount of paper that you normally get in a DSP stack. And lovely, lovely designs. Now this is the paper that goes with the beautiful bundle called Rooted in Nature. Now the Rooted in Nature is for the people that loved Lovely as a Tree. And don't worry everybody, Lovely as a Tree is still in our catalogue. It did get carried on. This is gorgeous paper. These leaves are so delicate and beautiful. Double-sided once again. So you get two of each. Look at this. This colour, you know how I love my Elegant Eggplant, Blackberry Bliss is going to be a new colour and it is going to be my favourite. I can see it. Look at that. Look at that colour on the back there. Absolutely lovely. Lovely fern look. And these papers are just gorgeous. So a really nice natural nature set too, which is gorgeous. Bit of a timber wood grain look on the back there. And some more leaves. And a lovely stripe, pin stripe. That's gorgeous. Okay. So that's the DSP that goes with the Rooted in Nature bundle. And this one is the one that goes with the octopus stamp that I showed, the Sea of Textures. And this paper is Yamo. I'm just going to get that box out of the way so you can enjoy this paper as well. So see, you get to see me twice today. You're so lucky, but I did definitely want to show you this. Hey Carol, how's your holiday going? I can see you watching. Hope you're enjoying yourself. I'm loving the pictures. Your pictures are absolutely wonderful. Hey Mandy, thanks for joining. I've done another live video, lady. People that are joining me now. This is my second time I've been live. I jumped off and I was not even off for 5 minutes and I'm back on again. So this is the paper. This one is called Tranquil Textures. And this, I think you are going to absolutely love. Lovely, pale, pastel pattern on the back. Look at these. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely, pale pattern. This is a new colour as well. Same with this one. Please don't ask me about the colours because I actually don't know them off by heart at the moment. But some gorgeous colours. This one here is the colour that replaced our Soft Sky. Our Soft Sky will be going. Any of the colours at the moment, they will be while stocks last. So if there's a favourite colour that you have, please everybody jump on and order. I do have an April host code and I can message you the host code if you wanted to place an order as soon as you can. This here, oh, and my DSP is actually torn, which is sad. But I'm sure I can cut that bit off. Okay, so as you can see, some lovely textures, lovely colours in this DSP. Oh, wow, look at that one. And lovely colours. The Rich Raspberry and the Blackberry Bliss, I think, are going to be my favourites. So, thank you all. Oh, where am I? So, that was a really, really quick live video once again. But I did get to show you my order. So thank you everyone for joining. And if there's any questions at all, please feel free to message me. I'm happy to answer any questions. So I hope you all enjoyed it. And until next time, have a lovely day. Bye for now.